And an RSS activist was allegedly hacked to death in Kannur in Kerala. A murder case has been registered against 6 people, all alleged to be workers of the left party, the CPM. The attackers are all reportedly absconding. This on a day when the new BJP chief visited the state for the first time since taking over. The BJP has never won a seat in state or national elections in Kerala, but state leaders say that Mr. Shah wants to test the waters with local body elections next year before the assembly elections in 2016. And there have been tensions recently with both the BJP and the CPI accusing the other of poaching workers.
आज तक करीब 250 से ज्यादा कार्यकर्ता ये लड़ाई को लड़ते लड़ते शहीद हुए हैं। जिन लोगों ने ये हत्या का सिलसिला शुरू रखा है, उनके खिलाफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी कानूनी अदालतों में और जनता के दरबार में दोनों जगह अपनी लड़ाई मक्कमता से लड़ेगी और अपने विचार को हिंसा के आधार पर दबाने का जो लोग प्रयास करते हैं, उनको हम हमारे कार्य का और विस्तार कर जवाब देंगे।
A brutal, chilling political murder of an RSS worker, a second in a short span of time in Kerala. This coincides in its timing with the strategic decision of BJP, where it has decided to ensure that it is going to enlarge its mass base across the length and breadth of Kerala. BJP has not been able to win a single MLA or MP seat in Kerala, but in its committee meeting, in its state committee meeting, it has ensured, it has declared under the guidance of Amit Shah that it is going to mobilize all its cadres, including women and the youth, and that it is going to ensure that it holds mass membership drives from 1st November. Mr. Amit Shah has been categoric in stating that Kerala is one of his targets where it wants BJP's presence to be established before the next elections. With camera person SP Babu, Sneha Koshi for NDTV.